In every action, there is science. It gets into power when someone invests time and force. Science is a study of knowledge about the physical world and natural laws. Science organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and observations. Science is something which keeps on reinventing with the four schools, which are chemical, biological, physical, and mathematical. And this happens in University of Mumbai, Department of Atomic Energy, Center for Excellence in Basic Science. The Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, and the University of Mumbai jointly launched a Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences, offering high-quality undergraduate teaching embedded in a postgraduate and research environment. Some of the best teachers from University of Mumbai departments and the University of Mumbai affiliated colleges, and from proximate partner institutions like Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, IIT Bombay, and the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. The nectar of knowledge is imparted by highly experienced teachers at CEBS.
I chose to teach in the Department of Physics on the Kalina campus of Mumbai University. And after about 5 years, the DAE bosses, Dr. Kakodkar, Dr. Chidambaram, said to me, "You seem to be enjoying working in the university sector. Why don't we anchor you?" So they gave us some 50 odd crores of rupees to set up this center. And that was the beginning when Dr. Kale, Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University, and Dr. Kakodkar, Chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission, they signed an MOU to set up this center for basic sciences on a 5-acre land in the Kalina campus.
The School of Physical Science has core competence in areas ranging from theoretical and experimental nuclear physics, condensed matter physics, plasma physics, to astronomy and astrophysics. We have both theoretical as well as experimental components here, and the faculty members of the group of physical sciences is involved in cutting-edge research in their own areas of expertise.
This is the nuclear physics lab at CEBS, and it has a variety of nuclear radiation detectors and state-of-the-art instrumentation. The lab has a dual purpose, both teaching and research. And since the past 6 years, we have been training the master students at CEBS in the detection of various kinds of radiation, ranging from gamma rays to X-rays, alpha particles, beta particles, and conversion electrons.
In the School of Chemical Sciences, we are working on the several research areas like catalysis, materials for the organic light emitting devices, for the solar cells, for field effect transistors, and we are developing the molecules. Also, we are making the devices so that we can have an idea that how good our molecules are here in the center.
So whatever they are going to learn in the theories in the classrooms, they are going to come here down in the labs and going to do the experiments. That's the best part of it. They are going to design their own experiments, going to perform it, and then analyze the data.
So the School of Biological Sciences offers several courses, both theory as well as the teaching laboratories. Courses such as Introduction to Biology and the Introduction to Macromolecules are taught, and basically these courses are also taken up by the students who would graduate with chemistry, math as well as physics.
There was a general feeling in the scientific community that we are not getting good inputs into the research programs that the scientific community was running. And the main reason for that was that the undergraduate education seemed to be in pretty bad shape. And there were many initiatives around that time which to start good undergraduate institutions, good places which would compare favorably with good institutions in the West, for instance. And it was with that motive that this Center for Basic Sciences was started.
So the concept of this CBS system is to have very distinguished scientists to come and discuss and teach science at a university campus. So the things which we normally do not learn in the university campuses, these people who are specialized in various areas They would like to excite the imagination of the students.
The center aims to eventually have about 600 students, 150 faculty members, including the visiting faculty and permanent staff. CBS has state-of-the-art infrastructure in both the prefabricated and newly constructed permanent structures. These structures have modern, well-equipped research laboratories where the students enhance their knowledge. Students are provided accommodation in the hostel at a nominal rent. Hostel has common facilities such as common internet room for accessing emails and for the project work. Gym sets the atmosphere to keep yourself physically fit and healthy. As they say, a healthy body keeps your mind healthy, and CBS believes in this.
We have events organized throughout the year, but our major event is named ORIS. All these things that you see here are a part of ORIS Fest. Our CBS is not just about science, it's about art and expression as well, and ORIS is a celebration of expressions.
I have been associated with this Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences. 2009, I came here as director of the center. The center was established as a collaboration between the University of Mumbai and the Department of Atomic Energy as an experimental venture to improve the quality of education in the university system in general. It was established by the Department of Atomic Energy to test the feasibility of such a venture, see if it can be replicated in other places if this is successful.
Today we all are living in a society which is heavily depending on science and technology, whether it's a food or fun or communication or commuting. Everywhere we have to depend on science and technology, and this requires a huge amount of trained, scientific and self-motivated manpower. If you have attitude and aptitude to do science and curious about science, you must join CBS, and it offers enormous opportunities in terms of infrastructure, training, mentoring and different directions to groom you as a scientist. So that's why this is the place where you can do good science.
So life at CBS is like life multiplied by scientific calculations and divided by all those obstacles students face to kick the goal.